And next we're going to sell the mold kits that they used to build the cars. It's lot 136, the Eleanor Cinema Vehicle mold kits. They use these to build their original 11 cars, 4 Gone in 67s. They're provided by the builders, Cinema Vehicles. They'll be sold on a bill of sale. Eleanor and Gone in 60 Seconds are registered trademarks. The Road Art Buyer's Premium will apply. It's the mold kit used for the original 11 cars for Gone in 60 Seconds.
Ladies and gentlemen, depending on my speaking engagements that come in over the next 90 days, I hope I can make it to Kissimmee next year, but Mark is my new manager and we're going to be out on the speaking tour, so.
Right, that was about a $400,000 speech, so he agreed to split it down the middle with me. Okay, monitor back on, please, and by the bitty bonnet. How much under here? How about down to the bitty bonnet here? And down by the bitty bonnet here. Monitor on, marquees, and by the bitty bonnet. Thank you. And down by the bitty bonnet, down to the bitty bonnet here. Don't tell me, down to the bitty forward. And down by the bitty forward, down to the bitty bonnet here, down by the bitty bonnet. How about down by the bit? 50,000. And 50,000 on a bid, 50,000 on a bid on the molds. How much? 40, 10. 10,000, 20, 20,000 on a bid, and then 20, 10,000 on a bid, now 20, 30, 20 bid, internet, 10, 30, 20 bid, and 30, 20 bid, 30,000 on a bid, and 20 bid, down 30 bid, and 34, and 20 bid, down 30,000 on a bid, and 30, have 20,000 on a bid, down 30 bid, and 34, and 20 bid, and 30, and 20. Reserves off, it's gonna sell. Anybody get 25,000, 20 bid and 25, down 20 bid and 5 forward, have a 20 bid, down 20 bid, 1,000 on a bid and 5 forward, down 20 bid and $25,000, 20 bid, 25, down 20 bid to 5, down 20 bid to 25,000, 90 bid to 5, 20 bid, 25,000, have a 20 bid, 5 to 5 to 5 to 5 to 20 bid, 20,000, 90 bid to 5 forward. Sold on the internet, $20,000, sold on the internet, $20,000.